Today I'm going to show you how to change the bitrate in CapCut in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want more control over your export quality, file size, and overall video performance. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, adjusting bitrate can help you find the right balance between sharp quality and a manageable file size. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure you're ready to export. Once your edit is complete, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue export button. This will open the export settings panel where you can customize your final output before saving the video. In the export menu, scroll down to the video settings section. Here, you'll see the bitrate option. This is the setting that controls how much data is used to encode your video, which can affect both visual quality and file size. Next to bitrate, CapCut gives you a few different choices. You can set it to lower if you want a smaller file size and faster export, which can be helpful for rough drafts or when storage space is limited. You can choose recommended if you want CapCut to automatically select a balanced setting for most standard exports. If you want better visual quality and don't mind a larger file size, choose higher. And if you want full control, select custom so you can manually adjust the bitrate to your preferred level. Pick the option that best fits the kind of video you're exporting. If your video has a lot of motion, detailed graphics, or text on screen, a higher bitrate can help keep everything looking clean. If you're exporting something simple, lower settings may be perfectly fine. After selecting the bitrate you want, double-check any other export settings like resolution and frame rate, then click export one more time to start rendering your video. CapCut will process the project using the bitrate setting you chose, and then your final file will be saved and ready to upload or share. And that's it. Now you know how to change bitrate in CapCut. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in your export results. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.